I will tell you how to hack Subway Surfer. First, you have to go on your Play Store and search Subway Surfer hacked version. And then the first Subway Surfer, click on it and install it. I won't cause I have installed it. Go back, and here, see, there it is, and click on it. The website name will be down here below, and please notice that they have this car surfboard, the Formula 1. Now see this, you will go on me, click on watch. I have to tell you one thing, that when you will install it, okay, you will straight go on me and collect all the 6 awards. There will be 3, but there all will be 2 awards. Okay, then do 40 coins, collect 40 coins. And then again go to shop and collect the award and go to me, characters. See guys, all the special characters are unlocked and their uniforms. All the special hoverboards are unlocked. It's a very great hack for Subway Surfer. Please subscribe and share this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.